Okay. Alright, so now all you're going to do is solder the tips. Still there. 300 Celsius, not 300 degrees Fahrenheit for those outside of the US, or inside the US. Okay. Get it nice and hot. All you do, it's called tinting the wire. That's all you got to do. We'll tint. Boom. And I'll show you right at the end. So you see how they have that silver tip now? That's why it's called tinting it. I'll probably tint this one a little bit more. But that allows it to melt to the strip better. Alright, so I just grabbed a random piece of cardboard. Ignore what it says there. But, so I got it for the pantry lights, whatever. Red goes to the 24. Red, white goes to the signal. Green, white goes to the ground. So, line it up in that order so you know. Here's the red. Yeah, hold up. Okay. Now here we go. Get that. Nice and hot. Got it going. That'll be good. Alright, now we're going to plug it in, see if it works. 3, 2, 1. Put it in there. We need to turn it on. And there we go. And as you see, they actually go all the way up top and into the pantry. We did all that way. Now the thing is, we are connecting in a lock zone. So this is not the final. But that's how you solder in extending an LED light strip to wires, to RGBW.